Okay, today we are going to install cell-based flow software. The first software we want to install is Synopsys VCS. If you go to TSI website, this is TSI website, you will see that they provide the VCS 2023.12-SP1 2023 and 2024, that is 09 SP1 and 09 SP2. So basically this is the newest version provided by TSI, and we download all of these files to our hard disk. So the first step is always download this file to our hard disk, and the second step is extract and install. So you need to use root permission to type task xfva this file and uppercase COPTEDA 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to extract 4 files from the website. Then third, I will explain this later, configure environment. Then 4, test. Before we test VCS, basically you should be able to run VCS after you install VCS. However, in this case, in this course, I have prepared a tiny Verilog example for you. So you may run this. You may run this tiny example. I will show you this later. So I already download the file here. So we need to use root permission to type trxva-vcs1 -copteda and enter. This will take some time to complete. So because you see 4 giga, 4 giga, 5 giga, 4 giga, this is a very large file. I will leave your screen to you. Please extract all these 4 files. Then later we will configure our environment and test VCS. Okay? Everyone, please extract all these files. Now, before you extract this, please check the file size. This is a very large file. So you need to make sure that your download is complete. Understand?